All right, so this is how you make an award. We're going to do 12 inches on the width, 12 inches on the height. Change it to from pixels to inches. Hit create. All right, so the easiest way is to with the rectangle. You click up here, click and drag, decide what looks good for an award. Notice the dimensions here, 6 inches. I just have 6 inches by 7 inches, which is adequate for an award. Maybe I want to change it maybe a little less high, taller, but anywhere around there is fine. Okay, now like everything, we gotta make this, this is gonna be the shape, so we gotta cut it out. The lines for cutting out are getting rid of the infill, which is trash can, and then hitting border, changing it from black to this red right here. Okay, if we want to curve it, we can click on our line and then curve corners here. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to put our text. So the at the top is going to say the name of the award. For example, the Ted Anderson Award. That's one of the awards. Okay, so I click out or click it so that you see these circles. They're called handles. Now you can change the font, something cool like Alderberg or something like that, right? All right. Change the size to make it look adequate for you. Okay. All right. All right. And now you're going to put the name. So another text box with this T here. You can also click the letter T, and then you're going to put the name of the student. Okay. Name of student. Make sure that for all of these things that the first letter is capitalized. All right. So now the name of student, you can use the alignment tool here to align it. Pick a cool font. All right, make it bigger if you need to. All right, actually, we'll align it later. Okay, now the last thing you're going to do is the text for the award here at the bottom. So for the student who um, worked through difficult. Actually, you would get this text from the Google Classroom. All right, so I will tell you in your email which one you need to do. Actually, I'm going to just copy it here. So the Ted Anderson Award is given to the student who overcame many barriers. So here I'm going to just do that, copy and paste. But because we need to find, make it grammatically correct, I have to capitalize this. All right. And so now I can move it here. So this box is obviously too long, so I'm going to shorten it here. Okay. And here's something that I want you to learn how to do. So, and actually you should probably do it for all of these. But in this text box, you want to center it with this alignment tool here, centered here. Okay. That way you can align it now better. Use the guide. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Um, Also, we should add something here. So it should say Island High School at the top, actually. So you can put Island High School. All right. And this one, it should be smallish at the top, centered. Okay. Get a cool font that seems like Island High School-ish, something like this. All right. So that's that. Now we just need to give it the slot here for the bottom. Oh, actually, now that once you finish your text, all you have to do is just go through each one and change it from text to lines. So you can either do one at a time. You click it, right click, convert to path. Keep doing that. Oh, I gotta right click first. Click it, then right click, convert to path. Keep doing that. Convert to path. Convert to path. And then this one, click convert to path. All right, I'll continue in another video right now.